Well, good morning. Thanks for sharing your plan. First thing I noticed is your current roofs are incorrect. So I assume from this that you must be a new user. There's no crime in that, but I'm just saying. In the photograph, this has vertical siding and this has horizontal siding. I don't know why you set it up this way, but that's neither here nor there. Well, but the purpose of this video is to help you get done what you wanted to get done. Now, what you use as materials is, so to speak, immaterial. So I'm just going to skip that. I'm just saying general observations. Now, excuse me. I'm going to go Shift F6, Shift F6. That creates this layout here, so you can see what's happening in 3D while I'm working in plan view. And that's over under the window menu. There it is. See, there's tile vertically, Shift F6. That's what I did. All right. Now, if we want, in your photograph, we got a shed roof starting here and going up. And it looks like to me that the ceiling height of this is lower than this, or this is lower than that. You say it's 9 feet over here. Let's see what you got it set to. About 9 feet. Okay. But this is set, I think, to probably to the same ceiling height. Let's compare. Yep, they're exactly the same. In the photograph, it looks like the baseline of this shed roof here comes down lower than this roof. Now, that's just maybe be a perspective thing, but I would say if this is 9 feet, then this is probably 8 feet with a vault in it. Excuse me, that's my supposition. So I'm going to act on it. I'm going to go over here in this and change the ceiling height to 8 feet. So it's a shed over here. You can see auto roofs is on, so it responded to that change. Now, the way you get a shed roof is you take the sidewalls and program them to be full gable walls on the roof tab, full gable. And then this wall, I don't know why it's generating a gable since there's no marking here for a gable. What I'm going to do is, looks like the pitch over the shed is like 112, not 512. Okay, now we got a shed roof there. We also have this other junk, but I'm not finished yet. Now, this wall and this wall should be marked in order to create a shed roof on the roof tab, be marked as full gable walls. That's correct. And then, okay, and this wall here needs to be marked high shed gable. High shed gable. So that the software knows concisely what it is you want to create. Let's see what it does with it. Bingo. Okay, now we're closer. Now it looks like this roof is underneath this roof. So maybe I miscalculated on the ceiling height thing. You know, I working secondarily like this, and I don't know precisely what it is that you want, so I'm guessing. But we got the basic configuration. What I'm going to do is over back here, and I'm going to raise the ceiling height to, well, 9 feet. That should raise that roof up. Okay, that looks a lot better. I'm guessing about, you know, the heights here, but I'm just by the photograph, this looks more correct. So let's let me click over here and get this icon. Where is it? There, that one. So that seems to be your basic thing. Now, now we got the roofs relatively correct. Now, in your photograph, the overhangs are kind of stingy. So I'm going to take this. It's not picking up this wall here. I'm just going to drag it in, click there, and drag in so it's a very stingy overhang. Oh, yeah, without a roof zone, you won't be able to do that. But the action of me manually editing the roof actually turned secondarily off. And there's no gutter on this roof, so let's open that. Go to gutter and delete that gutter. It just takes the gutter off. I don't know, I can't see if there's a gutter over here or not. But see, you got your transom windows here in the main structure, and a door and a window. And if you wanted to extend this, I guess you could move this wall over and move the roof over and get more space there. I'm not a little foggy on exactly what you want to do there. A 5x5 bath. You want to add a 5x5. Well, you got a shed and a shed, so I'm a little confused. As it looks like this bathroom is about 5x5. Yeah, roughly. I don't know if you want to add a 5x5 to that or not, but anyway, I've helped you with the roofs, and that ought to be enough. And I hope it is, and I hope it helps you. Anyway, I'm done. Have a good day.